Hey everyone, welcome back to Garden Wise. I am Shivangi and in today's video we are going to harvest some winter vegetables. I was on a long break from YouTube but right now I am back, so cheers! If you are watching me on first time, hello, my name is Shivangi. I make videos on gardening, DIYs and decor. Do watch this video if you like, do share and subscribe my channel. By the way, I really enjoyed this harvest. You can see happiness on my face. Without any further ado, let's start. These are some vegetables that I planted last year between October to mid-November, including tomatoes, carrots, turnip, broccoli and many more. I started these vegetables from seeds. If you want to harvest in January, you should sow your seeds 2 months prior, that is between October to mid-November. For summer gardening, I had already started my seeds. If you want to grow summer vegetables, do follow me on Instagram. I will help you. Remember, vegetable gardening needs full sun. Vegetables are heavy feeders. They need nutrients to grow. I feed seaweed liquid fertilizer twice a month. This is my lettuce plant. As you can see, this is very dense. I have to thin it to grow it properly. So I will show you this method in next video. If you have any query, please write down in comment section. I will try to guide you. And now let's start harvesting. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you loved this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will guide you through summer gardening. See you all in next video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye bye.